How to reverse an opioid overdose. To reverse it, respiratory assistance is needed if they have stopped breathing, but the Narcan kit, this is Naloxone, the same drug, this can be given as an injection in the muscle or an intranasal spray. So that is the quickest way to reverse an overdose. Most importantly is to make sure that the bystanders are safe, that the person who has lost consciousness is laid down on the ground to help improve chances of not closing the airway, and then giving rescue breaths, and finally again Narcan, whether it's by intranasal or intramuscular injection.